This is the new Huawei Nova Y61 hands-on and top features. The design of this phone is unique with study effects at the back, so it's smudges-free, and for me, it looks expensive despite of below 500 dirhams price range. There is a fingerprint along with a power button, a Type-C charger with 22.5 watts supercharge, and a massive 5000 mAh battery. And if you charge for 30 minutes only, you can use it for 6 hours of watching online video. It has 4GB RAM, 64GB internal storage with Kirin 710 CPU, amazing colors like mint green, midnight black, and sapphire blue. And now, the display is good. 6.51-inch HD Plus LCD screen with 89.4 screen-to-body ratio. And the top features is the camera with 50 megapixel f1.8 aperture, which is good for low light photos, 2 megapixel micro shots, and 2 megapixel portrait lens. So what do you think of this new Huawei Nova Y61? Just comment down below. And if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe for more tech news and reviews. Thanks for watching.